Welcome back to Product Critique, where we bring you the best of the best. Today, we have an incredible find that stands out in the world of wallets, the ARW AirTag wallet for men. If you're in the market for a sleek, minimalist wallet with a modern touch, look no further. This wallet is truly the best ARW has to offer, combining practicality, security, and style in one compact design. The ARW AirTag wallet is designed with a slim, metal money clip that's perfect for those who love to keep things neat and minimal. It's not just about looks, though. The wallet is built to be functional and durable. With RFID blocking technology, it ensures that your credit card information remains safe from electronic theft. This feature makes it a must-have for anyone who's concerned about privacy and security in today's digital age. Made from high-quality aluminum, the wallet is lightweight yet strong, giving you that premium feel without the bulk. It's the perfect size to fit comfortably in your front or back pocket. And, if you're an Apple user, the wallet is designed to seamlessly hold an AirTag. No more worrying about losing your wallet. Simply track it through your phone, wherever it is. The ARW AirTag wallet is not just about tech, though. Its minimalist design gives it an elegant and timeless look. The clean lines and solid black finish make it a stylish accessory that pairs perfectly with any outfit. Whether you're heading to the office, out for a night on the town, or traveling, this wallet is a great companion. The wallet's slim profile doesn't compromise on storage either. It comfortably holds your essential cards, IDs, and cash, so you never have to sacrifice convenience for style. Whether you're carrying a few cards or just a couple of bills, this wallet has you covered. In terms of build quality, ARW's craftsmanship is top-notch. This wallet is designed to withstand everyday wear and tear while still looking brand new. It's an investment that will last, ensuring you get great value for your money. Overall, the ARW AirTag wallet for men is a standout product. It combines cutting-edge technology with a minimalist design and superb functionality, making it a must-have for anyone looking to upgrade their everyday carry. So, if you're ready to experience the perfect blend of innovation, security, and style, this wallet is definitely for you. That's it for today's review. If you want to stay up to date with the latest and greatest products, be sure to hit that subscribe button and ring the notification bell. Thanks for tuning in to Product Critique, and we'll see you in the next video.